Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today I'm actually headed off to the LaLiT Hotel in Mangar. It's basically near Delhi, so I'll be staying there for 2 days and I'll be checking out the services, and it's actually fairly new. So yeah, and I'm really excited for that because it's my first ever staycation and that I'll be actually vlogging about. So yeah, hope you guys like this vlog. Let me know what you think of it. I've actually just landed in Delhi and I'm on my way to the Mangar Hotel. It's about an hour's drive from the international airport, and so I'm pretty excited about going on my first ever staycation. And so I'll keep you guys updated. I think we're just gonna relax first when we reach there, really to catch up on my sleep. But yeah, I'm actually thrilled to be here. Hey guys, so I've just reached the hotel and it's absolutely stunning. Now look at the views, it is so gorgeous. I'll just take you straight to my room. It's actually quite nice. Let me just give you a quick room tour. So this is how it looks, guys. It's so cool. They have the huge shower room down over here. We've got all these. Oh, this is so cute. And we've got all this, the wash basin, the hairdryer, toilet seat. Then as you walk out, it's actually a sliding door, so just chill. It's got a huge mirror as you walk in. Then onto your right, they've got this whole setup of fruits and biscuits and stuff. Then there's another mirror, and this is the best part, guys. Check out my room. They've got a small sofa down over here. They've given this essential kit, so I'm going to probably see what's in there later. Look at the way they've actually designed it. It's so cute. It's actually lovely. And then, guys, this is actually going to be my favorite part because this is actually so pretty. Look at this, guys. You just sit here all day. Well, probably not in the sun, but otherwise. And yeah, they've got a small desk where I'll probably just do my editing and stuff. So they've got a cupboard with the basic stuff. They've got the robes and the footwear and stuff. So yeah, they really have you equipped for all the basic amenities, which is so cool. So yeah, I'm really happy with the room. So guys, one thing that's actually great about this place is that it's not a conventional hotel where the rooms are just aligned or there's a corridor. It's actually, you have your own private space and it feels like your own villa. So all these, let me just show you. So all these things that you just seen, like this part there, that's one room, that's the other room. So they're all segregated in a way wherein you have your own personal space, and your privacy is maintained. You can actually relax with peace. So this is really cool. It's not something that I've seen often in hotels. It's not very conventional. So yeah, I think that's one of its unique identities. ready and we're out here for lunch. And yeah, so I've got one other influencer on board with me, and her name is Anukriti. Say hi. So I'll leave the link to her Instagram in the description link below. And yeah, they have all kinds of games here. They've got the pool table, and they've got the table tennis out there, and it's just a place to relax, sit and chill. So Anukriti will actually give me a review about this.
Alright.
So what do you think about this drink?
Let me check. It's iced tea.
It's iced tea?
Nice.
Is it nice?
And it's so hot outside.
Yeah.
We need this.
It's a total recommend by Anukriti.
Yes.
Alright guys, so I've ordered myself some avocado salad and it looks amazing. You have to see this. Check this out. Way too healthy eating. So cool. I love this already. Alright guys, so we've just reached our rooms for about an hour before we actually head off to the lake. And we've got a couple of things lined up. We've got the spa after the lake visit, and then we've got the Rajasthani folk dance. So it's just 4 o'clock, and it seems like the whole day has gone by because Right guys, so we're actually headed to the lake now, and we're walking down this path. It actually is around 2 kilometers from the place where we stay in, and from there you trek for about a kilometer more and you reach the lake. So we're actually on our way. Guys, we've just reached the Mangar Lake and it's absolutely gorgeous. Now you have to check it out for yourself because it is that beautiful. So guys, we actually just got done with the lake seeing, and we didn't really expect it to be this exhausting. Anukriti, what do you have to say?
I'm dead.
Yeah, that pretty much sums it all
We're
up.
almost there. We're back.
Yeah, we're almost reached, but the way back is actually quite of a trek. So those who love trekking should totally come and see this place. Right guys, so I've just got done with the lake and I've come back to the hotel and I'm going to go for a spa right now, and yeah, it looks really nice already. The whole ambience is so cool. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys after the spa. Alright guys, so I just got done with the spa. It was amazing. It was actually so refreshing that I actually feel fresh at literally 8 p.m. after having been awake since 6:30. So yeah, that is one great spa. Now I'm actually going to be headed for the Rajasthani folk dance, which has already started and I'm already late. So I think we should quickly go and check that out. just finished the Rajasthani folk dance, which was so great. There was this guy who was so old and he was actually singing, and it was really, really great to see that. So yeah, we got a taste of the Indian Rajasthani culture. I'm thinking of having this dish called the baked Florentine. It looks nice, and they have beef pasta as well. So yeah, I think that's going to be my dinner today. So yeah, let's see what it is. So I'm just back in my room after dinner, and we've really had a crazy day today. We've actually done so many things. We went on a trek, we went for spa, we went for that Rajasthani folk dance. So they were great experiences, and we do have a bunch of things lined up for tomorrow as well. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video so far, and I'll be seeing you guys in the morning.